Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to show you this week's trade of the week. So sit back, relax, let me show you what happened in our trade room. Chicago PMI is one of our more interesting trades because it's a private report. It releases its data 3 minutes before the public gets the news. In other words, private subscribers get the news before the public. So we trade this report 3 minutes before the news actually gets released. We found this out by going to forexfactory.com and clicking on the file folder for Chicago PMI. Data is given to subscribers 3 minutes before the public release time. So we trade this at 9:42, expecting an early move. The public gets the news at 9:45 a.m. We've been watching this report for 3 months, trade very, very well. You're going to see X's show up on the chart. Those X's are going to be my order. I'm trading gold futures, real money. This is a live account, a live real trade. There's my orders. The price explodes down, and there was actually something that we call a little bit of liquidity issues, and it didn't actually fill my bottom order, but eventually it fills both my orders for a profit of $230. Watch this move again. It's a little bit herky-jerky and unusual, but still a great profitable trade. It's because of our research and knowledge that allowed us to trade this news before the news was even officially released to the public. We were making money on this event, as were all of the members in our trade room that traded with us. $230 profit in a matter of about 5 seconds. That is our trade of the week this week, Chicago PMI. I want to thank you very much for watching our video and just reminding everyone there's a great opportunity to join our 10-day challenge next week. Learn all about appointment-based trading. The information will be in this email. Sign up for our challenge, and we'd like to see you on the inside. Have a great weekend, a great holiday, and I'll see you all next week. Leigh Goldstein, signing out for 10-Minute Trades. The trade of the week, Chicago PMI.